September 11, and take a moment of silence for the tragedy of World Trade Center. Okay, let's get started. Jumping right into NEO. Well, right now, the options are going to expire at the end of this week, the Friday of the month at 3 p.m., not 4 o'clock, 3 p.m. So, we'll see how it goes. It's struggling, dropped as low as $10, and then now it's spiking back up a little bit, 10.27, so fluctuate around this level. So chances are I'm in a morning stock, I'm probably going to open another row to options if that happens. If not, then I'll think about where I will reposition. If my option get exercised, that may close below 11 of $10.70. I'll end up buying the stock. At the same time, I will roll. I will put out another cash secure put right there, right then on Monday, one or the other. So that's that, and see if it goes back up, and then I can roll later, or I will roll right away. So that's that. Meanwhile, the other trade, that one is just going to work out. That one's going to just, still above 35, way far away. So unless something dramatic happens, sitting at this level, so I'm pocket that, and I think about where I will enter another trade on this. I have a long-term bullish on this, so I'm also using CSCO put to buy more stock as it comes in. That's how I buy stock on long-term fundamentals. Okay, let's go back. Jump right back into the market. Look at the VIX volatility index. Still a little slightly elevated level in the market. Nothing much right now. Nothing much going on. As you can see, slightly up. Look at the news. Slightly up. 0.5%, 1/4%. Nothing much. Yeah, stock future gains to start the week. Yeah, Tesla shares rallied. Yeah, something happened over the weekend, and Tesla decided to make a move. TSLA. Right, so let's take a look. Pre-open, okay, gap tremendously. 15 point or so. 25 point actually. Yeah. So it's a 10%. A 10% gap up. And we'll see how that goes. Haven't marked that as a trade or anything yet. Hey, look at the Qs. Gonna gap, maybe test this level. This is significant over here. Yeah. See, I want to make a run for that, and then see what I want to do of that. Russell 2000. Everything is just following the market up a little bit. But most of the bar is still kind of like an inside bar. So this is a false hammer. That's a false hammer. A bit, not long tail. Nothing dramatic on it. So a little bit bullish, but it's still off of that job. Short term, maybe a double bottom, which you see, very prominent double bottom. But then it's approaching. It's going to approach the moving average. 7 days, 21 days, 7 days moving average, 21 days moving average. So these two, it's going to be fighting as a resistance level. And to really clear that in, the next one is actually this pivot point, this peak. That's a lot of way you gotta go with this. Once it's over 200 days moving average, it's a lot of resistance everywhere, a lot of levels you gotta penetrate through to come back up. KRE, pretty much the same thing. Energy, energy, energy peaking going up. Making new high. Dollar and dollar yen. Yeah, it's good time to travel to Japan. Yeah. $1 to 146 yen. Yeah. So Bitcoin just sitting here, basing, right? Natural gas. How much? 20 years. Just around, yeah, nothing. Gold, nothing. Silver, okay. Down below 200. I was doing this before, so yeah. The precious metal, not much fundamental news on these guys. Yeah, MXI, Alibaba. It's heavy. These guys are really heavy right now. Chinese economy is not doing well, so and everything is on a drag. Okay, let's go into Apple. Yeah, indecision bounce, and then it's just falling the market right now. Google. Maybe is looking hunt. It's gonna hunt these level, hunt the stop loss. So you might have something right here. Right here. We'll have maybe something of interest. You can take out these. Around here, let's see. When was the last time it's even in here? It's a long time ago. A long time ago. So it's a small area. Actually, I don't want to use this. I'm just going to use a line. Your basic line here. Yeah. Just kind of a line. Make it thinner. See a little bit better. It's just a thin line. We'll see if we want to play at this level. If we penetrate through, and we'll look for a pullback. All right, breakout and a pullback, and that will be a trade. Yeah. So Meta. Yeah, this is a false hammer. That's a very good one. Signals. Although the stock is heavy, the market is heavy because, but yeah, I'm using this one. But this is a pretty clear false hammer. So that was the first signal, and then that was the pullback, and then false hammer. That was the signal to entry. The end of this trade. Right, and then the profit target. You're gonna hunt. Depends on your risk reward again. If you set it over here, then you gotta set your profit target above this. And that was the trade here. Yeah. So that's Tesla. I see what it do. I mean, it gaps up so much. Let the let the play develop for you. See where it goes. This is meaningless. Nothing for Amazon. No flex. Yeah. Okay. Microsoft. Go. Oh, it goes. So it's gonna hunt here. Let's hunt for this. So we might have a coming play if it goes through. And breakout. So it's gonna get right into it and give it a few days. Now this our market figure one. Because if this break through, then we have a play. I'm gonna watch it closely and see if it want to turn into a breakthrough and a retracement. So that we'll see. We may have a breakthrough play. Yeah, most of the time we're just waiting for things to happen and see if everything's aligned. Market show its hands, and NVIDIA kind of just sitting it here now. Yeah, kind of hard to find a trade on this guy now. Wow, Qualcomm. Something happened. So this and then this happened. Yeah, I'm not even going to look up the fundamentals. This is fundamental. Some news came out. Something came out. Okay, this guy had broke a triple top. Now I finally a potential pullback. Alright. I say, oh, I have a mark used 4 hours. So we might trade using the 4 hours as it comes off. Yeah, that might be a trade. That might be a trade, which is good. So Intel, mark that. Even using an hourly, a probably a trade upcoming. So that will be interesting. That will be fun. We'll see where I want to go. AMD, nothing. Yeah, I want some consecutive bar running, and then a pullback and a continuation of that trend. So that's what I'm really looking for. I mean, yeah, it's considered down, and then that's a signal that it's going to cool back a little first, go up, and then who knows? But yeah, but this candidate now is all over the place. There's no, I mean, it went up, came back all the way down. Yeah, nope, not a clean move out. This is nice. 1, 2, and 3. I've been marking it. At one point, go through that. Yeah, so that was short, and it flipped. Came back. There's no signal. Because it fall through this when it was coming down on this wave, and then pull back, and then it broke this peak, and then there's no signal to enter. The most important thing, it broke and it went lower. Pull back a little. So let's say if, as I mark this, let's go back, okay? So I'm looking for short, and then it touched 200 days moving signal, and this will be a signal bar. So the trade enter on that. The problem is your MACD during that time. So, and it went above this peak. It's not like it's fighting and then it come back. So that's a weak signal, which like that and do this. Right, so right here, this is your exit. This is the stop loss. You get around here, and that trade is done. And you just look at it the other way. Now it's an uptrend. The trend flipped from down to up. Took a loss on that trade. That's took a loss on that trade, and then over here bounce off the 200, make new high, pull back, didn't really touch it. And then it stopped bouncing. So that's a low. That's a signal. Right here. That was the signal to enter long. Now this is waiting for a signal to go long. if anything. The question is, so waiting a signal over here to go along. The real problem now is this. My MACD is telling me, oh, the momentum is not here. It doesn't make high. So this peak gets invalidated. And that is a potential reversal signal. So no, don't take that trade. So that's no trade right now. We can watch, but it's not really even a signal, but it was a ball, it flipped, basically a flip of this. That's the flip. That was, The thing is, what you're doing over here, you see the very clear long-term down channels for a while, and then it broke out of this. When this happened, right? Although I was looking at a tray, the most is over here. When it decided to play around here, that's where, right? And if you look at the MACD, it will even make higher high. So that would have invalidated a short on that. That would get invalidated because of MACD, basically. So this get invalidated. And over here, this is a chance, but this over here, it'll also get invalidated. This peak has been invalidated because of MACD. There we go. So that is invalidated because of MACD. Very important when it flip like that, like this. This is a flip, and then before that you're thinking, okay, it's a trend. I'm gonna go long. The big problem is if you see this bar here. So let's put a regression. Right? Let's do a regression. Let's put a regression on this guy. Right? From where this to this. Oh. Let's drag a regression channel. So this is the turning up, and let's take it to here for now. For this. Right. So on this run, it's a nice run, and I'm looking for entry point. There's no entry. No entry signal. So you sideways. If you make new high, then it tests low and it just fall right through. So this spot invalidated this whole trend. In actuality, it broke through like that. It broke here. Right, it broke the support level on this box. So let's get a box here. So this, and there's a consolidation level here. The thing is that there's a box here, and this just killed it. So that flip and stop eventually become a down channel all the way through, drifting for many months, and now it's going to up channel again. Right? So we flip back and forth, kind of like quarterly or longer flip. So these keep getting invalidated. So So this is a reversal signal actually. This is a reversal. In that case, let's get an icon for reversal. Let's use this. Let's use that as reversal. And I can always turn it upside down, but this is a reversal, potential reversal now. Yeah. Validated that, and reversal. That's all it might be. Interesting. Yeah. So that's the second type of main trade of reversal. Right? The first type is continuation of trend, a trend pullback in continuation. This is second type reversal. So it could be a trade coming up in actuality too. Trade of reversal. Yeah. New. Yeah. Flipping. Big box. Big box, you can see. Yeah. CSCO. It's doing its trend thing. See, this is good. Alright, peak, new peak, more higher peak. So this is valid. This is valid for I just have to find a signal. Let's go with a long candidate. And this will be the stop loss. This will be the target. If going long, this is stop loss. Change that to red. Yeah, it's kind of like 1-to-1. This will be the target, but use MACD, and I'm going to introduce a third signal, a third indicator. That will be the target. Let's break out. I see a false MRC bias coming in, and then we'll have a trade on this guy. Let's just go on a continuation of trend. This is a perfect setup. It's a perfect example. Yeah, some fundamentals news come out, so there's a fundamentals behind it. So you probably want to set this a little lower than the peak. And this, yeah, it's a 1-to-1, but yeah, that's a trend. This is setting up for a trade. This will be a nice trade. A perfect example of perfect example. That would be a crashing out. It didn't fit too well. Let's see if I add more data to it. Let's see, maybe from here. It's a little bit better. Yeah, regression always best fit now. Okay, that's fine. That's good. So I have an uptrend, long-term uptrend, and fundamental news, a gap broke. So CSCO would be a good play, a good example play. How to do this? Yeah, CSCO for the point of my trading list. CSCO is going to be potential play. So this is going to be okay. Collect. Amen. Let's see. Okay, so more potential play on semis. these few guys. Why did I mark all the code again? Oh, double top of potential. That's why I see if it will go through. I see. Okay. So with a list, Tesla will be interesting to watch. Okay, guys, still above 200 days moving average. Now it's going to get through the 50-day, going through the 21-day. Yeah, it's built up some nice momentum. So that's good to watch. Now let's see why Tesla is having so much fun. Why is Tesla? Okay, let's see. Monday top analyst call. Okay. It's news. It's news on you. Biggest move on Tesla. On propels Tesla. Morgan Stanley bull bond rate by rating. Oh, okay. So they have a large upgrade. Sometimes you can does that. Now we have to watch. September 11, 2023, 6:23 a.m. Tesla was on an upswing in pre-market trading on Monday after top-rated Morgan Stanley analyst Adam Jonas upgraded stock to a buy from a hold and gave a top pick destination to the stock. Jonas also raised the price target to 400 from 250. That's substantial. So they're talking it up. The analyst price target is the highest on the Wall Street. Okay, wow. I didn't need to sign in. I didn't need to click that. So it's just basically Morgan Stanley won't talk it up. For whatever reason, they want to talk it up. Okay, is it alone? Oh, this offers insight. Yeah, so buy the rumors, sell the news. That's the old saying. Wall Street. As a whole before now is check maintain a whole, but DBS guy maintain a whole. So it's really just one IB trying to talk it up. And pre-market is kind of thin. So how would there be a play? The question becomes for us. All right. Not on the day when it yaps like that on back of some endless top news. They just talk it up. Only substantial bias comes in. So again, what? Market confirmation. I want to see actual buyers pushing it what? Push it to break this high. And it will establish a trend, nice trend, breakthrough, and then finally pull back. That will be the play. Until then, just people talking up. That's all I say. Who knows? It just, a lot of people like to talk. And sometimes they talk crap. Most of the time, we talk crap. That's what we do. So right now, this. So until then, no. Yeah, I want to see technical confirmation. Okay, fundamentals, you have some news saying that, okay, this stock is worth 400 instead of 450. Really? You sure? Let's see. Let's see if the market believes that. That's the big question. That's more important. Does the market believe? The market believe? Push it for 300. That is a good number to go push through. Right? And then it retrace and test back to 280 or so. Right? And then it will bounce through. I want to see confirmation. Talk is cheap. Yeah. That's that. So today, a couple of things. We talk about IBM, how it switched on trend. We talk about CSCO, very possible play, and Tesla, where analysts talk it up and decide to get. Will be interesting. Hopefully, some good plays coming up, so we can get some good trades. What happens when you get good trades? Money follows. And so that's it for today. And yeah, and I will keep posting more videos if there's trade or interesting situation developing in the market. Otherwise, I will see everyone next time. Thanks for watching.